top 10 reasons why people smoke are peer pressure, social rewards. They have risk taking behavior. This is especially in younger people who find a thrill in breaking the rules. Misinformation about smoking, genetic predisposition. Research suggests that addiction to nicotine may have a genetic component. Advertising, self medication. People with depression or anxiety disorders smoke because it can help calm some of their symptoms. Media influences and stress relief. Children of smokers are more likely to begin smoking than children of non smokers. Cigarette smoking increases the risk for many types of cancer, including cancers of the lip, oral cavity, pharynx, esophagus, pancreas, larynx, lung, uterine cervix, urinary bladder, and kidney. Rates of cancers related to cigarette smoking vary widely among members of racial and ethnic groups, but are highest among African American men. The risk of developing lung cancer is about 23 times higher among men who smoke cigarettes and about 13 times higher among women who smoke cigarettes compared with those who have never smoked. The lung on the left is a healthy lung of a non smoker, and the lung on the right is someone who has smoked. Here is a picture of mouth cancer that is the result of smoking. This is a video of a smoker who survived cancer.
I'm Mary, and I used to be a smoker. I want to give you some tips about getting ready in the morning. Brush your teeth, then wig, then your head redefined, and now you're ready for the day.
Cigarette smoking causes coronary heart disease, the leading cause of death in the United States. A normal, healthy heart is pictured on the left. Note the healthy blood supply. On the right is an unhealthy heart, likely damaged by a heart attack. Smoking doubles a person's risk for stroke. Secondhand smoke exposure causes heart disease and lung cancer in non-smoking adults. Non-smokers who are exposed to secondhand smoke at home or work increase their heart disease risk by 25 to 30% and their lung cancer risk by 20 to 30%. Breathing secondhand smoke has immediate harmful effects on the cardiovascular system. Smoking during pregnancy can cause pregnancy complications, premature birth, low birth weight in infants, stillbirth, and sudden infant death syndrome. When you quit smoking for up to a year, after 20 minutes, your heart rate drops. After 12 hours, the carbon dioxide in your blood drops to normal. After 2 to 3 weeks to 2 to 3 months, your heart attack risk begins to drop. Your lungs are working better. After 1 to 9 months, coughing and shortness of breath decreases, lungs start to function better, and your risk of lung infection lowers. After 1 year, risk of heart disease is half that of a smoker. The following video is a research study of students in college smoking.
My name is Zakir Patel. I am doing some research on tobacco products. May I ask you some questions?
Sure.
The first question is, when did you first start smoking?
I started smoking at the age of 15.
How did you start smoking?
At that point in life, I was going through a lot of stress, especially because my mother passed away, and it was a very young age, and also peer pressure. All this built up, and I started eventually smoking.
Do you see any changes in your health?
Actually, I see a lot. First of all, when I play sports, it affects me physically. Like, I'm not able to run as long, and health-wise, like, sometimes I get out of breath, and sometimes I snore a lot. It's hard to sleep. Those are just some little.
How often do you smoke?
I smoke about 6 to 7 cigarettes a day.
How much is that per week?
It comes out to about maybe 3 packs a week.
Uh, how much do you think that would cost you per week?
Per week, I would say $10 a pack, about to $30 a week.
Do you see yourself quitting?
Actually, quitting, I have tried, but I'm continuing trying to quit, but it's really hard.
Do you regret smoking?
Of course I do. First of all, health wise, it's really bad, and also I waste a lot of money on cigarettes. And another thing is that it affects the people around me as well.
Have you tried to stop smoking?
Yeah. Actually, a couple of months back, I quit for about 2 to 3 weeks, but I don't know, just some final stress and whatnot, and I started smoking again. And hopefully, I can quit pretty soon.
Okay, thank you very much for that interview.